Yep. Hey everybody, Ryan Smith with Pro Auto Spa. Today I want to talk to you and show you this bumper here. The reason I wanted to present this to you is because this bumper, as you can see, it's got some rub marks. I'm not sure if the person did it backing out of their garage or hit a pole or another car ran into them. But the point I want to make here is that this clear bra, I haven't taken it off yet. I want to see if it's actually done its job to protect this car. So we're going to use some steam here and just get this softened up a little bit so that we can get this off without pulling any paint. But what I want to show you here is if this actually did its job, how much time, how much money, the fading of the paint, or if you have to get repainted, color match, all that, it's actually worth the investment. And my guess is that it probably is. So this isn't the first time. We didn't actually install this clear bra here at Pro Auto Spa, but we're going to do the reinstall. But I just want to get it to the point where you can kind of see what this has done to protect this bumper. So just work this slowly here, using steam, of course, so you don't pull any paint. Always minimize the chance of that. So there we go. Let's see. So get this warmed up.
Isn't that so satisfying to see it coming off like that?
Yeah, it's coming off nicely. Try to go down and up. Just you can see right here the line that's in the clear bra.
Oh.
Let's see. So if you look there, there's no damage. So, I don't know what these people spent on this particular clear bra installation, but definitely saved them from having to get their bumper repainted. It's gonna be less just to replace this piece, rather than going to a body shop, spending a lot of time at a body shop, leaving your car there. Such a nightmare. So definitely saved them in this situation. So if you're considering getting a clear bra, highly recommend it, especially the newer your car, the better. In fact, we've actually had people bring us their car straight from the dealership when they're done. So consider that if you're looking into getting a new car, or if you have a car that you really care about and you want to protect it, reach out to us here at Pro Auto Spa. Thank you.